Hello and welcome. In this video, we guide you through your personalized Bitcoin mining dashboard, designed exclusively by Hearst. Unlock your mining potential with a secure login, and manage your processes on the operations page. Now, let's get started. Be informed with real-time market updates in the Bitcoin chain block section. Benefit from a live BTC price tracker for up-to-the-minute information. The revenue synthesis table shows your earnings clearly, making it easy to understand and improve profitability. Additionally, a dynamic graph provides live updates on chain difficulty. The Your Activities section is created to make it easier for you to grasp what's happening with your mining operations. In this area, you can check out a detailed table displaying your hash rate and important events related to your equipment, like maintenance, deployment, and disruptions. With this tool, you can easily see and control all of your mining machinery, gaining a clear understanding of its status and performance. Explore your earnings in the performance section. Find out how much you make monthly with an interactive graph table. Check out the ROI without collateral for both the last month and since the beginning, and explore projected yearly earnings with collateral. Gain insights into your ROI from the last month and since the beginning, and get a complete overview of your financial performance with projected yearly earnings. Now, let's check out the Your Operations section to comprehensively explore and manage the crucial aspects of your mining venture. Uncover vital details about your mining setup, like machine count, total hash rate, total investment, distribution per country, miner types, and where your machines are around the world. With these key details at your fingertips, you're in control of your mining efforts. Navigate to the conclusion of your contracts, where all details come to light. Here, explore specifics such as machine name, miners, hosting, and their corresponding country assignments for a comprehensive legal overview of your mining agreements. All details are available right here. Now that you've explored your Bitcoin mining dashboard, remember Hearst is here to support you at every stage. Happy mining with us!